Halo, assalamualaikum. Hello everybody, rekan-rekan, adik-adik sekalian, para pelajar ataupun para pemula. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang expressing past time, bentuk simple past tense ya. Oke. Di antaranya akan kita pelajari itu adalah using be dalam bentuk past time, past of be negative form dalam bentuk negatif, past of be question bentuk question, simple past tense using ed or verb to, past time words yesterday, last, and ago bentuk keterangan waktu, and then the simple past bentuk irregular verb, and then simple past bentuk negatif, simple past bentuk yes no question, dan beberapa kata kerja, perubahan kata kerja irregular verb. Okay, I'm in the class today. I'm in class today. Ini to be ya. Ini bentuk simple present tense. Apa bedanya simple present tense? Pada video yang dulu kita sudah belajar. Kalau simple present tense, to be-nya adalah am, ya, nih, am, is, are. Tapi kalau untuk past tense itu menggunakan was. Kalau simple past tense, non verbnya ya, non verbnya. Kalau simple present tense yang non verbnya adalah am, is, are. For example, I'm in the class today. I was in the class yesterday. Begitu. Ini dalam bentuk past tense. Okay. I'm in class today. Kalau past tense, I was in class yesterday. Begitu. And then June is here today. June was here yesterday. Ini past tense, ini present time. Bedanya, jadi present ini untuk menunjukkan kegiatan sehari-hari, the actions that happen every day. Tapi kalau past time, tell about what had happened before, ya. Jadi mengungkapkan apa yang sudah terjadi. Oke, contohnya ya, kalau presentnya adalah we are happy today, dia akan menjadi we were happy yesterday. Dia mencerita tentang masa lalu, masa lampau. Ini yang non verbnya, ya. Oke, is here today. We are happy today. Ini yang non verb, ini non verb untuk past tense-nya. Oke. Simple past tense of be yang singular and plural. Oke. Mana apanya? Oke, I was, you were, she was, he was, it was. Kalau untuk past tense, to be-nya adalah I was, she was, he was, it was. You were, they were. Untuk pluralnya, oke. Ini we were, you were, they were. Simple past tense. Oke. Ini dia aja jelasnya ini. I was, she was, he was, it was. We were, you were, they were. Oke. Bentuk be. Let's practice. Ini today, keterangan waktunya today. Berarti present. Apa to be-nya? Iya, alright. I am at work today. Jadi I am at work today. Oke, kalau past tense, bagaimana? Was, ya, right. I was at work yesterday. Present, bagaimana present? Oke, apa jawabannya? Oke, right. He is, ya. He is in the pool today. Dia di kolam renang sekarang. Kalau past tense-nya, he was in the pool last week. Okay, the moon is huge tonight. Okay. Kalau past tense-nya, the moon was huge last night. Okay. The water is warm today. Kalau past tense-nya, the water was warm yesterday. Okay. Okay. I was not in class yesterday. Ini bentuk past time, ya, or past tense or past time. I was not in class yesterday. I was not in class yesterday. She was not in the class yesterday. Oke, kalau negatif, kalau bentuk negatif hanya nambah not setelah to be. Was, okay, were not. Contoh lah ini, seperti ini, she was not in class yesterday. Atau you were not home last night. You were not home last night. Tambah not setelah to be, okay. Ini past tense dalam bentuk non-verb baru ya. Jer is in class this morning, but yes, kalau yesterday berarti to be-nya apa? But okay, he was not. Okay, past tense in class yesterday. They are in London tonight, berarti present. Karena past tense yang mana? Okay, they were not in London last night. I'm happy today, ini present. Jadi past tense dia menjadi apa? I was not happy yesterday. Okay, good. The weather is nice this week. Present kan? Is. Past tense-nya it was not nice last week. Mudah sekali. Were you in class yesterday? Yesterday past tense kan? Were you in class yesterday? Ya, jawabannya yes, no question. So answer-nya yes or no. Okay. Cara jawabannya yes. We are. Yes. Okay. We are in the class yesterday. Okay. Were you in class yesterday? No, we aren't. We aren't in class yesterday. Itu jawaban panjangnya. Was Jane at library last week? Yes, she was. Jane adalah perempuan. Yes, she was. Okay, she was at library last week. Itu kalau jawaban panjang. Yang pendek, yes, she was. Okay, was Jane at library last week? No, she was not. She was not at library last week. Where was? Ini menggunakan past be by question ya. Menggunakan where. Where was Bill last winter? In Mexico. Okay. Jawaban panjangnya he was in Mexico last winter. Where were they last month? On vacation. Singkat. Panjangnya they were on vacation last month. Okay, apa Andrea in class on Friday? Was Andrea kalau pasen was Andrea in class on Friday? No, she was not. Jawab pendek. Panjangnya she was not in class on Friday. Okay, ada last week-nya berarti were you and see me at lake last week? Yes, we were. Okay, jawaban panjangnya we were at lake last week. Di danau ya. Ada last week-nya berarti was. Yeah, alright, was. Was Nina with you last week? No, she was not. Jawabannya she was not with me. Okay. Nah, ini simple past tense menggunakan using ed atau ed dalam bentuk verb. Yang tadi yang kita pelajari barusan itu ada yang non-verbnya, yang bukan kata kerjanya, kata sifat. Dulu saya jelek, ya, for example ya. Last time I was ugly, but now I'm handsome. Itu menunjukkan bahwa masa lampau yang non-verbnya. Sekarang yang verbnya, kata kerjanya, tidak pakai to be. Tapi justru pakai verb 2. We walked to school. We walk bentuk ed. Okay, we walk to school untuk kalimat positif atau afirmatif ya, afirmatif. Coba kita apa bedanya? What is different simple present tense yang verbnya? Okay, we walk to school every day. Walk itu adalah verb 1. Nah, untuk past tense adalah menggunakan verb 2. Okay, we walk to school yesterday. We walk to school yesterday. Sementara simple present tense we walk to school every day. Kita menggunakan verb 1. This verb 2. Hakim walks to school every day. Nah, simple present tense Hakim walks pakai S. Setiap desert present singular she, he, it ya, dia akan berubah. She walks. Okay, he walks. They walk tanpa S. Kalau untuk simple present tense. Untuk simple past tense ya, semua subjek menggunakan kata kerja kedua. Hakim walked to school yesterday. Coba lihat ya, subjek you, they, she, he, it, we, they, kata kerja kedua. Verb ed. simple past tense. So simple past tense, the actions that happened yesterday, had happened yesterday, harus positif sentence-nya menggunakan verb to. Oke, go berarti kalau go menjadi went. Oke. Speak, spoke, menggunakan spoke ya, verb to-nya. Every day I brush my teeth. Every day I brush. Biasa brush-nya kalimat verb one karena every day simple present tense. Tapi ketika yesterday menjadi I brush my teeth. Oke, mudah sekali. Every day Julie plays the piano. Plays bentuk verb one. Oke, kenapa pakai s ini simple present tense? Karena Julie ini the third person singular, she atau he plays. Oke, s dia. Yesterday, she played the piano. Okay, every day, Edgar cooks. Kan, mulai cooks verb one menjadi he cooked verb two. Bob and Helen were here yesterday. Nah, di sini tidak ada verbnya. Sebagai verbnya sini adalah were-nya. Were ini to be. Jadi to be kenapa? Here ini adalah tempat, non verb namanya. Jadi maka dia menggunakan to be. Nggak ada verb satunya. Di sinilah were ini pengganti to be. To be bentuk past tense. Bob and Helen were here yesterday. Okay, Bob was here yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. Atau Eva was here last night, last week, last month, last year, last spring, last summer, last Monday, last Friday. Last itu menunjukkan simple past tense. Atau Omar was here, okay, 5 minutes ago. Ego, semua ego itu menunjukkan past tense. 5 minutes ago, 5 menit yang lalu. 2 hours ago, 2 jam yang lalu. 6 days ago, ya 7 hari yang lalu. A month ago, 1 bulan yang lalu. A years ago, setahun yang lalu. 10 years ago. Pokoknya ego itu adalah simple past tense. Okay. Atau yesterday with morning, ya, yesterday with morning. Yesterday morning, for example, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, yesterday blah 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 blah. Okay, that's simple past tense atau past time words. Okay, last night, contohnya last night, last long period of time, last seasons, last days of the weeks, for example. Itu juga keterangan past time words. Okay, disebut dengan keterangan waktu juga untuk past tense. Jadi ciri khasnya adalah last. Dan 5 minutes ya, length of time 5 minutes, 2 hours, 6 days, month 5 menggunakan ego. 5 minute month, 1 years ago ya. Yesterday, okay. We went to the movies. Okay, what is your answer? Yeah, right. Yesterday afternoon. We went to the movies yesterday afternoon. Okay. I call you, apa cocoknya? Yesterday atau last? Okay, right. Last week. Okay, last week. Janet left for South America. Okay, yesterday morning. Okay, the sky was very full. What's your answer? Okay, very good. Last night. Okay. Nah, bentuk it bentuk simple present tense, at bentuk simple past tense. Sama-sama artinya makan. Oke, atau yang begini, come menjadi came. I come home every afternoon. Every adalah simple present tense. I came home this afternoon. Came itu datangnya dari come, came menjadi past tense ya. Bentuk kedua. Go, when. I go swimming every Tuesday. For past tense, I went swimming last Tuesday. Yesterday. Okay. Write, wrote. Okay, I write letter to my grandmother every week. Every tadi simple present tense. I wrote a letter to her last week. Last itu menggunakan past tense. I have ice cream every Sunday. Every Sunday ya. Menggunakan I have ice cream. every Sunday. Kalau past tense-nya I had ice cream last Sunday. Past tense dari had menjadi had. Okay. What did I do last Sunday? Okay, what did I do last Sunday? Apa yang saya lakukan minggu kemarin? You had ice cream. Had ya. Jadi had perubahannya. She sits at her desk to study every night. Every night itu adalah simple present. Karena every ya. Sits. Kata verbnya sits berubah menjadi she sat at her desk last night. Okay, ini dia last night say. Okay. What did she do last night? Okay, past tense juga kan? She sat at her desk. Dia duduk di mejanya. Perubahan sit menjadi sat. She sees her best friend every weekend. Sees, ya, sees berubah menjadi so. She saw her last weekend. What did she do last weekend? Perubahan juga. She menjadi so. She saw her best friend. I didn't walk to school yesterday. I didn't drive to work yesterday. You didn't drive to work yesterday. Jadi kalau kalimat negatif, semuanya are you, they, we, see it, didn't. Okay, verb kembali ke verb one-nya. Okay, okay, make, didn't cook dinner. Okay, kita lihat ini bagaimana cara membuat kalimat negatifnya. Tambah did not, tambah main verb one-nya. I didn't go, for example. You didn't go, she didn't go, he didn't go. Okay, I didn't watch a movie last night. Jadi kalau untuk negatif kembali ke verb one ya, karena sudah ada didn't. Okay, Ade didn't play soccer yesterday. Bentuk kedua, dia kembali lagi bentuk pertama. Kenapa sudah ada didn't? Ade didn't play, bukan verb to. So, okay, yesterday. Okay. We don't eat breakfast every day ya. Breakfast every day ya. Ini simple present tense menjadi we ate breakfast Monday, but okay, we didn't eat breakfast Tuesday. Okay, I don't sleep well every night. Menjadi sleep menjadi slept. I slept well last night, but I didn't sleep well on Thursday night. Did Laurie walk to work? Okay, yes, she did. She walked to work. Did Laurie walk to school? No, she didn't. She didn't walk to school. Did you practice the violin? Yes, I did. I practiced the violin. Okay, bentuk kata kerja kedua. Did you practice the violin? No, I didn't. I didn't practice the violin. Kalau dia kalimat negatif, dia kembali ke verb one. Did you see your dad today? Yes, I did. I saw my dad today. Did you see your brother today? Yes, I did. I saw my brother today. Oke, perubahan kata kerja itu kalimat positif. What did you do last night? We went. Nah, jadi go menjadi went. We went to a party last night. Yes, she did. Andrea went on vacation. Did Andrea go on vacation? Ya. Jadi perubahannya kata kerjanya bring menjadi brought. Membawa, sama-sama membawa. Bring untuk kalimat simple present tense, yang brought untuk kalimat past tense. Bring, brought. I always bring gifts to birthday parties. Ini bentuk kalimat simple present tense. Always, ya, selalu. Okay, I brought a gift to your party yesterday. Brought, jadi bring menjadi brought. Drive, she drives to school. She drove to school to die. Dan bentuk past tense to die, ya, to die. Run, ran. He runs to school. He ran to school this morning. This morning itu juga past tense. Today juga. Buy, bought, catch, caught. Drink, drank, read, read, write, wrote. Shut, shut. Teach, taught. Think, thought. Okay. Blah blah. What is your answer? Right. I ride my horse every Sunday. I rode him. I rode it last Sunday. What did I do last Sunday? You rode your horse. Okay, jadi you rode your house. Past tense-nya. Okay. What's your answer? Yeah, right. Teach a class every Monday night. Simple present tense menjadi I taught a class last Monday night. Okay. What did I do last Monday? You taught a class. Yeah. Taught. Teach menjadi taught. Someone broke the window. Bentuk past tense. Ya, break, broke menjadi broke ya. Brick broke. The child breaks everything. She broke my coffee cup. Coffee cup. Meet Matt. I can meet you after school. They met in their English class. Sing sang. Perubahannya sing sang. I like to sing new song. I sang a new song last night. Itu perubahannya. Wake up menjadi woke up. Sometimes I wake up every early. Today I woke up late. Itu bedanya kalimatnya. Fly, flew. Hear, heard. Hear, heard. Live, left. Pay, paid. Ring, rang. Beda ya. Send, send. Bacanya sama tapi tulisannya berbeda. Juga ada tulisan sama tapi cara baca beda. Speak, spoke. Take, took. I send email every day. Simple present tense menjadi I send email today. Sama-sama send tapi tulisannya berbeda. What did I do today? You send email. Okay, send perubahannya. And then sing my car every day. Yesterday I sang a new song. Perubahan sing menjadi sing. What did I do yesterday? You sang a new song. Perubahan sing sang. Ya, begin, began. Begin, began. Okay, people usually begin college at age 18. She began college at age 25. Where were? Maka ya, I wear a uniform at my new job. I wore regular clothes at my old job. Find menjadi found. Lost, lost. Sama bacanya tapi tulisannya berbeda. Ini cara bacanya dan tulisannya berbeda. Hang, hung. Say, say. Sell, sold. Steal, stole. Tell, told. Tear, tore. I like to sell things I don't use anymore. Yesterday, I sold my old baseball. Oke, perubahannya sell sama sold. Sama-sama artinya. What did I do yesterday? You sold your old baseball. Perubahannya. I always hang my tools on my garage wall. Last weekend, I hang menjadi hung. Hang, hung. The rack on the garage wall. The garage wall. Okay. I always hang my tools on my garage wall.